Hello. Gyroids are here. Isn't that exciting? Alright, let's get this started. Let's get cracking, am I right? Okay, the dump is just full of junk, so we don't care. Ignore. No gyroids can show up here apparently. It is Sunday today. You know what that means? Sorry, it's Saturday today. You know what that means? It's Sunday tomorrow. That's right. Turnips are right around the corner. Had a full week off, basically, which was nice. But I did spend a lot of time streaming and doing other things during the week. So it's not like I was just like chilling all week. But I didn't have to worry about the turnips, which was nice. And we got 5 spikes in a row, which is like crazy. So that's pretty cool too. That's definitely pretty cool too. So today we'll get the gyroids. Again, it is the 6th now. So got like 4 more days till the 1 year mark. These are for the 4th character's house. So I might grab those later. I gotta check the 2nd character's house for the manor model. And then decorate my house. And that's kind of like the main stuff I'm doing today. I woke up and like honestly I've been sore, so it's not very fun. I feel like I have that, but I also don't. At this point, I don't actually know. I think I've looked at the gyroids too many times that I have no idea what's what anymore. Also, Katrina is not here. She's gonna be here later, that's right. Do I just ignore Katrina today? Me digging that up should tell you yes. I'm just gonna ignore Katrina today. I just don't think it's worth it. I think like even if I get the fortune, I'm not gonna get the right item. And I just don't feel like it today, honestly. So I think we're gonna skip. But yeah. I'll look for the gyroids. Deal with the 2nd character's house. Maybe put the Mario items away. Figure some of that out. Go from there. Hoping it doesn't take too long to find these things. Or that I can at least find them all. Nothing worse than missing one gyroid. It's always a pain. At least a lot of... Oh, I mean, there's some acres where I've really, like, filled them up with stuff. So it's like, yeah, you're not gonna find anything here. Which is, like, kind of good, kind of bad, maybe. Like, obviously, if I had, like, less stuff on the ground, there'd be more places for things to spawn, but... I don't know. It works both ways, I think. It could be good, but it could also be bad. It just depends on where things spawn. I was like, oh yeah, I'll deal with Katrina. And I was like, wait, no, Katrina shows up at 9. And I'm not planning on waiting till 9 to stream, so that's fine. Okay, I don't like this. I need to see some more gyroids. I've been to too much of the town at this point for only one. I mean, not really, but I just don't like it, you know? Need a little bit more right now. Okay. Well, I know we don't need that. Okay, I guess all this organizing has maybe helped. I might have a slightly better idea of which ones we do or don't need. Or maybe I know which families I've dealt with. I thought I dug both of these up, or did I only dig one up? Now I'm confused. Maybe I dug... No, I dug only one up. Okay, great. Great. Okay. Hopefully it's like right around the corner. Okay. Nice. Good. Mega Strumboid. Honestly, I know I don't need the tall Bovoid. That's all I know. I mean, let's just get the sheet. Let's go. Mega Strumboid, supposedly new, and this is a Mega Umbloid, not new. I need a tall Umbloid. I know I need one Umbloid, but there you go. See, we got another one. I don't know what's going on, but like I know at one point early on I wasn't getting like there'd be a couple times so I wouldn't get anything, and I'd be like, oh, these are all dupes. But now it's like I don't want to jinx it, but like lately, at least like the past 3 or 4 times, it seems we've got one new one each time, which is pretty nice. You know, if it kept up like that until I was done, I'd be pretty happy. That you know, I couldn't really complain about that. So let's drop the Umbloid, because again, don't need the Umbloid, just need the Strumboid. And now we're down to 15 remaining. I still need a Strumboid and a mini Strumboid. Where the heck do the Strumboids go? I guess I can still just drop this here. That kind of makes sense for now. Oh, I guess, like... I gotta deal with the store still, but, like, only for the sake of tickets. But I also still need to deal with my character. So, I'm gonna do a little switcherooski now. And then we'll go from there. Stromboid is in the main house. The bottom right. Oh, the first house, rather. I might be able to make something work with that. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. So yeah, we gotta deal with the house. So I have a bunch of that stuff, so let's just... Again, I did this in a pretty crazy way. Definitely got pretty crazy with it. I guess this is probably the easiest place to just... I assume everything in my inventory is Regal. Seems that way so far. I selected way too much. Nice. Okay, cool. So yeah, anyway. We're gonna get this stuff done, and then it'll just be turnips tomorrow. We don't have a fishing tourney to worry about, which is nice. There you go. Where did I drop the stuff? Oh, up. I dropped it up. That's right. Yeah. Okay. I was like, I don't remember where I put anything right now. I am concerned. And I remember now. Don't you worry. It's all right here. Those are actually spooky items. Hold up. It's all right here. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this stuff back in the house. In the house. Alright, I opened the stream just now. Let me, sorry. Whoop. 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 Let me just... Oh, no. I need to look at the stream from 2 days ago. KK song reference? When did I do this? I'm confused. Oh, here. Wait, there's the key. Okay, hold on 1 second. Okay, sorry, I was have to look through the video and then there's a knock at the door. It's just a delivery, so we good. Alright, okay, so I put the wait, jukebox. Why do I have a jukebox? Why do I have this stuff? What? Where did that come from? gonna have to like move some stuff around to get all the Gulliver stuff in here after I'm done, but that's obviously a problem for later. Okay, so we have the carpets out. So what was up with those two things? Why did I have those? There's a lot going on here. They're all just like lockers. Like, why do... Is a jukebox special? I don't think it is. I'm very confused right now. Okay, the house now looks how it did before. So that's good. Let me just do a quick Google on these things. Love to see that the wiki's not loading. That's my favorite. Okay, it says raffle, treasure hunt, whisper, good luck. So it's a raffle item, I guess. But I have it. Same with... No. The lovely armoire is a red item. I don't need either of those. That's an extra diver dam. That's a jingle table. That's all good. And then we have a house model. I mean, I could just drop them here. Doesn't really matter this much. Those are all office lockers. Okay, I think this character is good. I have all the items. Alright, I have all the models now. I put all that stuff away. So who's next? Okay, so I have all the Squelchoids right now. Those ones are there. And then... I think we'll just do this. Again, it's like so I can have the wallpaper displayed. If I do this, you'll be able to see it all. Instead of just like whatever garbage I have in this house. Right, because like right now, this house has all the snowman stuff. So the whole snowman series is here. And then it has these two station models. And I could put all the station models in this house. I'm not really decided yet. And then this house has all of these like time limited things. But there's nothing really stopping me from going and saying, hold on, let's... Why is this thing so big? That's crazy. I'm gonna try to like do this in a way where you can like actually see everything. But like low-key, they massive. Wanted to see the skull on the side. I guess maybe I could leave the other things in the other one. Anyway, so look at that. Boom, block flooring. And yeah, there you go. That's the little Mario room. But there's still this Nintendo bench, which I might as well throw in there too. Again, I wanted to get that stuff put away because it is taking up prime real estate for tomorrow for the turnips. So I'll do that. What else was I missing? Oh, wait. What am I doing? I dropped the wrong thing, didn't I? I dropped the bench in the wall. Oops. I'm gonna drop the bench on the floor. I didn't drop the wall. Alright, good. I don't really know what tomorrow in turnips. Like, there's no way it's gonna be 6 in a row. But it could happen. And if it was a huge week and it worked, I would be pretty happy with that, you know? Anyway, let's just drop the bench here. There you go, look at that. It says Nintendo. So there's all the Nintendo items, and then all the NES items will go elsewhere, and then these are all like the yearly items. So I guess this guy's done. I have all these Skullchoids, but they belong to another. Oh, they'd be in the way. Those ones go to the 4th house. If I want to pick those up, I need to switch my 4th character. I'm loading everyone today. But honestly, you know, like, once I get most of this stuff in place, things are in a pretty good place, I'd say. Wait, the Stromboid. I didn't deal with the Stromboid, but that's fine. Like, that really doesn't matter. The Stromboid is in the main acre, and I know that it's a new gyroid, and as long as I keep the new gyroids there, then there should be no issues. Did I switch this character yet? No, right? Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna just pick these up, and if I can place them nicely, great. If not, then they're out of the way. That's all that matters. If they're in the inventory, then I know it's good, you know? So if we run downstairs, these are those ones. Oh, they go right here. Like, that guy there, you can't see, but the guy above the purple guy needs to go left one and up one. And then the 3 would go there. But I'll just keep them in my inventory so they're out of the way and safe. Okay, so dealt with I dealt with the second character's house. I reset it back to how it should be after getting both models from the HRA. And I put all the Mario stuff in my third character's house. We got all that yesterday from putting in all the codes. We grabbed those gyros just to put them away. Now, 25 minutes later, I can go back to my main character and decorate my house. That's kind of where we're at right now. And then once I've done that, I'm basically good for today. I really don't feel like playing later to do Katrina. So I think I'll just leave it with one stream today and then be back for turnips. But okay. First things first. Let's grab the wall and floor. Okay, wonderful. Everything is as it should be. I don't really know what the plan for this room is yet. I want to do like a little NES thing, but I just don't know how I want to like organize it, you know? I don't know how many festive trees. Oh wait, that's a fake game. That can still stay here. Okay, this is the one I want. Did I just drop the game again? Oh my god. Nice try, man. Okay, I don't know. I'm gonna do something up there with all that. So now... I don't know where I'm putting all these. I'm just dropping them for now. Can I, like... It should still give me luck if they're down there, right? I mean, yeah, whatever. Why not, right? Let's just get them out of there. Okay, but yeah, right now I'm really just focusing on decorating. That's the main goal here. That's a track model. I'm gonna take that. And I mean, I already had like 54k points, so in theory it shouldn't be too bad for me to like get enough points. If I have like one of everything, it's like probably more than enough. I'm just gonna pick up that for now. But yeah, like if my house is set and then these houses are basically set up, right? Like this main floor just needs the 2 Gulliver items, and then the basement just needs Gracie. This one just needs the station models, I guess, and this one's basically good. I think there's a couple more that we can get, but yeah. Okay, so let's pick up that. Do I have the bed? I do not have the bed. Nice. That's not what I wanted to happen. Yeah, you know I'm bringing one of these downstairs. I assume I get points. Or, like, I should get luck from having them down there. I don't know. Eventually I'll get rid of all these trees, obviously. It's just like they're special items. They give me points. Points good. That's really all it is. Okay, good. That's getting better. Trying to think how I want to like set this up. I don't even have like the ones that I'm trying to use I don't have. Good. Okay, let's just drop these two. These are shirts I like. Or that are important or something. I guess I can drop the cabin wardrobe. We're not going to use that, so I'll just go over here. My inventory is just too full, obviously. Okay, cool. I was looking for the bed and the sofa, and it's like, nah, you don't get either of those, man. I was like, I want to put the bed here. That seems like a good spot. Maybe. Or should it be like this? Oh, I think it makes more sense like that. I don't know. I don't know how to decorate these houses in this game. It's like you just like throw stuff and make it work. Okay, where's the bookcase? Bookcase, lamp, and the sofa goes there. You can drop like some chairs like that. Yeah, that's totally... Does that make sense? Or should the bed be on like the other side? Or should this be on the other side? Oh, does that look right? That's fine, I guess. Oops. I feel like I need to. These are competing too much. I feel like this stuff needs to go to the other side. mean, the Master Sword can definitely go in here. The Mario Trophy should go in here. That makes sense. And then honestly, the TV should also go in here, but like, I don't know. I'm gonna have to like move the trees around, but I think like I'm getting a better idea for the vision. Like, yeah, tree, box. Okay, I think it's like another light, something else. Yeah, okay, that works. Another chair. And then honestly, the froggy chair should go up top. Okay, I mean, that's probably overkill, but who cares? Whatever. Okay, so I mean, it doesn't look perfect. I don't know. I'm trying to think how else I should decorate this, but it's like, you know, we got a bunch of stuff here. I could get another sofa, probably. Maybe another table. I think it's okay. It's not perfect, but, like, it's a start. I think that's good enough for me right now. So, I guess, yeah, let me just deal with this store. Before I forget, normally I would just like, okay, let's wrap up. It's like, actually, wait, no, there's something else for me to do here. Not that it's, like, incredibly important, but... Okay, there you go. Oh, that's actually kind of crazy. Wow, we got 2 totem poles today. That is also kind of crazy. So... This week, the turnips actually went up every day until Friday. But it was a spike, so that doesn't... You know, like, I've only seen it happen where it goes up on a non-spike, like, once. All the way till Friday. But you know what? We did pretty well. I'm pretty happy with where things are right now. 'Cause, like, yeah. It's like, we have 2 things from Gulliver, the 3 things from Gracie, and then there's, like, the station model stuff, the flower models, the post office model, the 2 things before Toy Day, the jingle stuff, the gyroids, pinwheels, and, like, it's looking pretty slim now. So, like, the first year actually kind of great, and, like, turnip-wise, we're at 600 mil right now. Obviously, we could do a little bit better than that, and we didn't start turnips until January, so, like, it's not like it's not like this is a year of turnips, you know? This is just a year of playing, but a year of turnips. Like, I'm hoping we can hit... If we could hit, like, you know, 700 mil, that'd be pretty cool. But we'll just wait and see. Anyway, so that all looks good. I could order stuff right now, but I don't really want to. I'm not sure what I want to order, so I'm just gonna take it easy. And again, yeah, tomorrow is turnip day, and like, I'll be here hopefully early enough. I woke up a little late today, but seem to go to bed earlier, and then everything will be fine. I'm just wrapping up, unfortunately. But yeah, turnip day is right around the corner. Can't talk. But yeah, I just got a bunch of, like, maintenance stuff done, kinda, not really. Busy work. What What are these? Those are the shirts that were in my closet. I guess I can just put those away quickly. Yeah, so like this house I emptied out, put all that stuff back. This one I put a couple gyroids in that character's inventory. It's all good. This I just feel bad. I'm like, oh sorry, I'm leaving. It's not you. I'm just like, oh, I'm sorry. And the Mario stuff, I'll just show you that real quick. All the Mario stuff is in this house. That pipe is massive. But yeah, that's... So all that's in there. And then I've been working on my house. So this is what I got so far. It's fine. It's not amazing. Should be enough to get the points, hopefully. But that remains to be seen. But let me just drop these tickets. And then, yeah, I'll be good to go for tomorrow. So, yeah, tomorrow, we got... Okay. Raffles tomorrow... I can't speak. The raffle's not tomorrow. Ignore me. Katrina shows up tonight. I'm going to ignore her. And then she'll be here tomorrow, and I'm going to ignore her. So... yeah, I'll just show up for turnips. We'll see how it goes. I've got 5 spikes in a row. I can't imagine there'll be 6, but anything's possible at this point. So if it's good price, I'm going for it. Because it could be a really big moment before the 1 year mark. But yeah, today, it's just like I got the Regal stuff out of my second character's house. Put all the camper and island stuff back. And then on the third character's house, I put all the Mario stuff that I put the codes in for yesterday. And then the fourth character, I picked up the few gyroids just so that that acre's clean and all the gyroids are with their respective people. Except I got a new gyroid today and I dropped that by my house and I didn't pick it up with other characters, so whatever, that's fine. We're just gonna ignore that. Yeah, you guess the New Horizons pipe is a callback to the pipe here, maybe. I think like they had like a whole they had the whole Mario series, so you could do like, you know, the basic 1-1 or whatever here, but I don't know. They've had lots of Nintendo stuff, but yeah, I can't remember if there was a pipe, to be honest. I do remember the Pikmin stuff and like having the Majora's Mask in New Leaf. That was pretty cool. But yeah. Yeah, and then I decorated my house with all the Regal stuff that's just been traveling between houses. So I should get the house model at least tomorrow so I can mark that off the catalog. And assuming I have enough points, then I'll be good to get the next one the day after. The NES consoles and New Horizons are 100% a callback. Yes, definitely. Surprised it took them that long to do something like that, but what are you gonna do, right? Anyway, yeah, so right now, like, the gyroids are all organized now. At least the gyroids I have are basically organized. There's a couple that can't go in because they just be in the way, so they're just waiting. I have 15 left because I got a new one today, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, I mean, really, that's about it. Like, tomorrow will be turnips, and then I just wait for the next visitor to see what happens with that. And if we somehow get another spike next week, that'd be insane. And then we have the anniversary on Wednesday. That'll be the 1 year mark. So I'll do a little stream to recognize that and talk about what it's going to take to finish, hopefully. Anyway, so yeah, that's that. So, but really, there's nothing big happening. It's just like turnips right now. And then on the 23rd, I'll get the dolly and the miniature car. And then the day after, I'll get some more of the jingle stuff. I assume because I have all the walls and floors, I will get the wall and floor. Like, I'll pick those ones. So at least I can have 2 more stars in my catalog, and I don't have to worry about that. And then I might get the shirt. I might not. And then we'll just see what we get with the furniture. And then I'll probably have to play on a second town just to make sure I get everything. But assuming it goes okay on the first town, maybe that won't be that bad. But yeah, we'll see. Anyway, I'm gonna get out of here now. Thanks for popping in. I assume I'll see you tomorrow for turnips. Maybe, maybe not. But yeah, have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you around.